Welcome to the FileNet to SharePoint Online demo using the Xillio Migration Accelerator platform. The Migration Accelerator jumpstarts your migration project with pre-configured flows and templates. Let's get started with building the Migration Accelerator package. Select the FileNet source connector to extract content and metadata. Now let's select the target system. Choose the SharePoint Online target connector. In the next step, you can enable additional flows and settings. You can enable additional insights flows and MongoDB security settings if required. When you have configured your package to your migration needs, you can go to the Review and Confirm page. On this page, you can review and download your Migration Accelerator package. When your download is completed, unzip the package and navigate to your Xillio 4. After unzipping the package, you can create a new Xillio 4 project. You can now drag in the flows and JSON files. Review your project files and hit Create to start migrating quickly. After you imported the Migration Accelerator package, you see the Extract, Transform and Load lanes. These lanes contain the flows that allow you to perform a migration from A to Z, including reporting. The Xillio 4 platform allows you to manage secrets and variables at a project level using the environment editor. You can create multiple environments to separate your configuration data for different project stages, such as development, testing, and production. Environments provide a secure way to store sensitive information by encrypting secret values. This is a typical FileNet environment. We will use the content of a demo workspace. In this demo, we will migrate the three folders, Professional Services, Pictures and Development into SharePoint Online. Now let's check out the FileNet source connector. You can configure the flow to match your extraction requirements. This is the Variables Management window with variables and toggles. Any sensitive variables are pulled from the environment and stay hidden. When you finished your configuration, you can run the flow and start the extraction. View the log panel for detailed events to track progress and spot any issues during the extraction quickly. Once all content has been extracted from the source system into the content store, it can be analyzed and processed in a variety of ways. Here, you can see a sample of our content analysis capabilities, known as insights. Graphs and other visualizations can help support decisions when defining migration rules. After implementing migration rules in the transformation flows, Insights provides a way to review and verify the outcomes. In this example, based on demo data, shows how Insights can visualize the effect of filtering out executables, duplicate files, and large files. The Migration Accelerator contains multiple transformation flows that will help you kickstart your transformation. It contains flows that set the migration scope, transform the metadata, map permissions, and remove special characters. Since no migration is the same, these flows come with easy-to-use mapping sheets. The Migration Accelerator also comes with multiple report flows for source and target to support your migration process and reconciliation. After the transformation process, several preparation and validation steps are performed to ensure the content is ready for import into SharePoint Online. In this demo, we'll only show the upload flow. Open the Flow Variables window as shown before. Any sensitive variables are pulled from the environment and stay hidden. No further configuration is needed for the import. You can now run the flow to start the import into SharePoint Online. Open the log panel to monitor the import events. Real-time logs reveal error and progress messages. When the import is finished, you can view your content in SharePoint Online. After the import, your content has landed in SharePoint Online. The three top-level folders are now visible in the demo folder. Open the Pictures folder to see the imported files. The structure and content from FileNet are fully migrated, including all versions. So instead of just moving content, we migrate it in a structured and controlled way. Ready for use in SharePoint Online. For more information about our content migration solutions and services, please visit Xillio.com.